Welcome to you, my name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Just got one of those little, reveals to share with you that I might have mentioned in my Ben Island video. There's a few things coming. Now, just to prove that, I was telling the truth and that I have indeed still been on Ben Island. This piece was, I'm just trying to see if I've got a date on here. It was sent overnight express on the 28th of June. Today's the 1st of July. I could have, done this video earlier, but I haven't had a chance because there's this thing called work, that pays for my luxury addiction that's been getting in the way. So, I picked up a little Fendi treat from an Australian consignment store called Lux Link, and I'll link their website down below. I just follow them on Instagram. I was not even looking for anything, and then this popped up and I was like, oh, I'll show you what I got and then I'll tell you the story. How about that? So it came in this teeny tiny little box, so it didn't come with the box, but it came with everything else. I got the mini Zucca baguette. I did indeed. Isn't it just glorious? This was like 95% excellent condition, it said in the ad. And I had just returned my midi baguette, which I'll link the video for that up here, that I bought from 24S. And it just didn't work out for me. That's the kind of spoiler for that video. And I'd been chatting to Karen on Instagram about her regular baguette and how she styles it different ways. And I was like, yep, no, I think I'm going to get a regular. And then this popped up and I'm like, you'll never believe what popped up. So the retail price for this one in Australia is $3,450. And all of our prices include taxes. I got this baby for $2,600. So it's just got its product code on here from Lux Link. It is immaculate condition. Like, I cannot see anywhere except for a couple of little hairline scratches on the closure here. But this bag was one that I wanted because I have it in the lilac. Just one moment. So I have this in the lilac too, and I love how this bag sits on me crossbody. And those of you who know that I love my new Zucca print blazer will know that I had this vision of Zucca on Zucca, and I have already been playing with this, as you can tell, because usually my unboxings are very like and I'm just gonna put some pictures in here of me doing those looks. I'm so happy. This is like the perfect size, and I should have just listened to my gut, but the fact that I saved nearly $1,000 off retail for a pretty much near new bag is incredible. So let's just have a look at this little beauty. So the mini has a top handle that is detachable, and it also has this long crossbody strap, which I love. A bit too long for on the shoulder, but I guess you could always like fold it under the flap and shorten it. You've got the big Fendi logo on the front and this gorgeous kind of jacquard Zucca print fabric. It's uncoated, so it is very soft. It doesn't have that same texture as a coated canvas does, but it's pretty much identical to my blazer. Then on the inside, we've got a little bit of stuffing inside of here. It is one big compartment, all lined in the Zucca with a slip pocket and a little card that tells you what this product is. This one is a little different to the leather lined versions, or not leather lined versions, but the leather version of the baguette, which has a number of card holders. This one only has the one little slip pocket, but because it's such a soft construction, I actually think this will hold a lot more than what the leather one will. So, that's exciting. I will link the videos that I've done on my little Lilac Baguette, and I think I also compare this one to the Gucci Multicolor. I think I've done a comparison between these two before as well. Now somebody has asked me to do a comparison between the Fendi Mini Baguette and the Chanel Mini Rectangular. So a comparison for these two. Are you interested in that? Because if you are, please let me know in the comments below and I'll definitely do a comparison. But I believe if it was based on capacity, the Chanel would win. But I mean, they're not really comparable at all, are they? Like, they're totally different bags. Anyway, so let me just get my Fendi blazer and show you how closely these two are. So here is my blazer and here is my bag. Aren't they beautiful together? They're pretty much exactly identical. I'm super happy I was able to pick this one up. I think there's a real beauty around the Fendi Zucca in that it's not a brown, like it's a cool brown, and you know that I've been talking about colour and this styling program that I'm doing at the moment, and this kind of brown just really works on me. It's just cool and it works with my natural features, and yes, I'm yeah, I couldn't be happier with this little baby. With LuxLink, you just contact them on WhatsApp. Is kind of easy. Their WhatsApp is on their Instagram. It's a quicker way to get a response and secure the piece that you want. It was dispatched like straight away. Yeah, really happy with the service. It's very quick. Yeah, no complaints from me. I also received an invoice with the guarantee of authentication. So the invoice has a guarantee that all products are authentic and genuine, and every item goes through careful inspection. The authenticity verification processed by expert authenticators, and there's a fullback money guarantee should any item be proven inauthentic. So that is always a great peace of mind. But yeah, this hardware is just something else. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna have a bit of fun playing with this. I'm so happy that I sent the MIDI back. I mean, the MIDI was twice the price of this. I didn't feel excited about it. It didn't feel good on. It kind of put it together really well when we were debriefing about that, and said it was too formal for a Zucca print bag. It felt really formal, and perhaps that's why it works better with, in my opinion, you know, with leather bags. God, I can't even get my words out. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it just didn't work for me. It looked a bit formal and very short. And a few of you were actually really lovely and said, you know, you thought that it looked lovely and couldn't see what I was talking about. And thank you for your lovely compliments. But I think, you know, we know that when we're spending that kind of money, we really need to be sure. So it was meant to be. I think I finally got my Zucca print baguette. It's a mini. It's beautiful. I love it. And if you haven't already caught a sneaky peek of me wearing this on Instagram, I have been. So another reason to go check out my Instagram handle, yes. I always link it at the end of my videos. So yeah, tell me, what do you think? Do you see what I see in this little mini treasure? It's way better than the MIDI for me, isn't it? Anyway, if you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, so I will see you in my next one. Bye! Ooh, so beautiful, so beautiful.